How to check email address on iPhone. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump right into the video. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to the settings of your device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll all the way down and then move into apps. It will show you all the list of the application that is available on your device. Scroll all the way down and then move into mail. It will land you on this page. Head over to mail accounts. Tap on add account. Now from here you can add any of the account that you want to. iCloud, Microsoft Exchange, Google account, Yahoo, AOL, Outlook and many more. If you want to check the email address, then tap on Google. Wait for a while for it to load. Now you have to enter the login credential of your Google account. Enter the email address or the phone number, and then enter the password. Once the account has been added, head over to the application mail, and then you'll be able to check all the mails. Well, the next thing you can also try doing is head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for mail.google.com. Tap on I'm not interested. And there you go. You can see that the mail can also be opened in the Safari. So that's the end of the video, and this was your tutorial video on how to check email address on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.